About that, is it an end? We say that no, it's just beginning. We just begin. And this is the beginning story for us, for entire Culinary Kaizens, for the Eastern India Culinary Association. And I would like to talk to the mentioning that it was not at all a getting a first prize, second prize, third prize or anything. It is a participations and everybody is a winner out here, which I think the participation in this place is the winner of this place itself. So I would like to thank to all the participants, those who have participated out here. They have traveled across the city. They came down, they had given their sweat into the plates, they had given their heart into the plates. But only my request is that please be on those where you are. Like what we want to say that this is the we chefs need to be on the stations on the table. We are not an Insta or we not into the kind of Facebook or maybe any kind of social medias. First we need to make ourselves, it is, I know I stay in Mumbai, but honestly this is, I see most of the people, they whatever they make it or not make it, they put it into the Insta and they say that this is the story behind it. Our chefs are been known from their stage, from the table, and the taste what they bring to the customer satisfaction or the guest satisfaction. They are the best chefs. So we call it as our mom, those who make the food from the heart, our different family members. They are also a chef. Mom never makes the food and put it into the Insta that I made it for you, my son. Chef, and our all Vishwa Pitama is in front of us. So would like to thank. I saw the energy after seeing him from the last 3 days. If you see, I would like to say that when I was young, when I was into the industry, as I told you the story yesterday as well, I used to see himself at the midnight at 12 with the saucepan and with everything in a nightclub and just making the dishes for British Airways. 12 at night he started. When we gone for the sleep at, okay, no, chef will never come back. But we saw all of a sudden the message came from the kitchen that Chef Satish Arora is already into the kitchen. He is preparing for the next day. So I want to say we groomed it from this chef and we always try to begin on that part. And by seeing his energy, his passion and all these things, today what we were doing it, we are nothing doing it, we want to do it for the students and the different participants, the different places and all. We would like to, ICA would like to visit to each and every state. This is our objective. We would like to go to like Mr. Pranab Prakash is here on behalf of ICA as a president. We really would like to contribute to the tourism industry. So we all are open 24/7 for you, sir. Whenever you ask for it, we are there. Our team is there for to support it. Thank you very much. But not delays. I would like to thanks to Shohini and Shohini, please come on the stage. And what is it? He has gone. Shubhankar has gone back. Honestly, I would like to not the thanks, but it is the things. She is my team member, and since beginning when we started our ICA, we don't know how to do, because we chefs are maybe good at kitchen and all, but we don't know where what to talk, what not to, how to take the speeches and all, how to make it arrange. This is the girl and the support from Mr. Raja Shadukan, who is my batchmate, but he's a principal of IHM Calcutta. He told me, chef, you do this exercise